Yo, what's up guys? Hello mga kapatid, mga kababayan, and Kia ora New Zealand. Mga kapatid, my friends and team family, kumusta po kayo? How are you mates? Guys, alam nyo ba? I just received this package that came from the company itself, and you know what? It's a big wow. Wow guys. Akalain mo, dumating lang itong package at pinadala sa akin sa company, no? And this is my very first time entire life having this sponsorship. Guys, it's my very first time. Alam nyo na guys, I am very pleased and thankful for this great opportunity and a wonderful experience in my life. I would like to address this video who is sponsored by a company named Lensgo. My very first company sponsored guys, right here, the one and only Wardy. So guys, as you can see my channel, I do most video filming, unboxing products and quick reviews. And not only that guys, a lot of things to do also. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider also subscribing and following me by hitting all notifications so you will get updates every time I make videos. Before we get started, let's do this thing first guys. Alam niyo na this. Okay guys, I'm going to quick test review for the quality of this mic. A small mic came from Lensgo company. So two options that you can choose and use this microphone: the camera and the phone. So two switch that you can choose. And also guys, don't forget to remove the plastic when you open this. There's a battery. This battery type is LR44. See, there's a battery. So you have to remove the plastic before you start to put and plug in to your camera. So close it. We will close. And now we are going to swap the microphone using this Lensgo microphone, LYM-DM1 model type. So it's a mini lavalier microphone, guys. We're gonna swap this microphone and let's do the testing of the quality, pick up voice, and you can decide also. I will not cut this one and I will remove directly. Make sure guys, you switch this on to camera side. Sound check 1 2 3. Lensgo LYM-DM1 mini lavalier microphone. So this is the sound quality, and as you can hear me now. So what do you think guys? And I'll put it in. Okay, sound check 1 2 3. So I think the pickup quality is good, but guys, I think this Lensgo mic mini lavalier microphone is quite cheap. I guess that this is affordable and good also for you guys if you are get started like me as a small YouTuber. And you try guys, visit their website. This cable holder also for collecting the cable, winding to make it like tidy or nice and make it quick. What do you think guys on the mic? I hope you enjoy this quick test review, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel guys, and please support me. Thank you guys for watching this quick review test for this little guy here microphone. And I would like to shout out Lensgo company. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for your sending me a product for this microphone. I would like to shout out also to my family, especially my wife and kids. TeamFamily, TeamFabulousVintage, TeamSouthMates here in New Zealand, TeamCOCO also. By the way guys, I would like to shout out also for my membership who joined me. Shout out to you Mamshi Sowat and Maribel 18, and also for my support chatters. Thank you guys here. Salamat guys sa supportan nyo every time I do live stream. Thank you guys for your support chats. So I hope you enjoy this quick test review guys, and see you my next unboxing. I have lots of video that I have to make this unboxing. Not only unboxing, I do also filming, so you will expect also this tutorial. I will do my best. So happy new year guys, 2021. It's a really good start for you and a really good start to buy this one also. Yeah guys, thank you for following me. Thank you for your support. See you on my next video guys. Bye. Bye.